Traders, I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures, here to talk about the currencies. Seen an interesting morning, a lot of volatility this week with euro, dollar. Began the week with the dollar on an uptick. Today it's sold off on the overnight. Now we're back close to being positive on the day. So the negotiations with Greece have been more of a political banter, if anything else, leaks out into the news, which would then make the euro go up, but then down, and so, thus creating a lot of volatility. So, as far as direction goes, it's really hard to tell at this point which direction these currencies are going to take. Over the long run, it looks like, over the long run, I would imagine the dollar would gain strength and the euro would sell off a little bit more. But looking at the projections from the ECB, their projections are based on the euro being at 112, their inflation projections, and so on and so forth. So if the euro sells off more than 112, their inflation projections would essentially be hit a lot sooner. So what does that mean for the dollar? Does that mean that it necessarily needs to go higher? If we look at Treasury yields, we look at the 10-year note yield, which is trading around 2.20%. You're looking at the 30-year yield closer to 30 or 3%. If that's any indication of what the Fed can possibly do, I think now they have enough cover to start raising rates. But by raising rates, will that essentially mean that the dollar will get stronger? We're kind of in a wait-and-see period. I can tell you this, though, if the dollar does continue to move higher after this volatility that we've seen, the market has been tested, in my opinion, and if it's tested and it doesn't turn around and sell off and it continues to move higher, I think that's only going to put more strength behind it. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist. On futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.